In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your Xero bank account in just about 5 minutes. Managing your financial transactions effectively is pivotal for the health of your business, and reconciling your bank account is a critical part of that process. It helps ensure that your records match those of your bank, highlighting any discrepancies that need to be addressed. With Xero's user-friendly interface, reconciling your account can be straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to achieve a seamless reconciliation process. First up, navigate to the Xero homepage. Feel the ease as you're welcomed by the sleek, user-friendly design. Up there in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing all of Xero's powerful features. Next, it's time to input your credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Be sure to enter the details accurately to avoid any login hiccups. After you've entered your information, hit the login button to proceed. The anticipation builds as you're just moments away from diving into your financial data. Once logged in, you're directed to the Xero dashboard. This hub is where the magic happens, offering you an overview of your financial situation at a glance. But let's focus. Navigate your way to your business bank account. You'll see it listed right there on your dashboard, and a simple click on the 3 dots on your account provides more options tailored to manage your finances. From the options presented, select Reconcile Account. This is where your journey to ensuring your bank and bookkeeping records match begins. The page you'll arrive at is designed to make the reconciliation process as smooth as possible. Now look for the Find and Match option. This feature is incredibly useful for matching bank transactions with those you've entered into Xero. It's like playing a matching game, but instead of fun, it's your financial integrity on the line. Equally thrilling. Click on Find and Match and you'll see a list of transactions. It's time to play detective. Scrutinize the list and find the transaction or transactions you wish to reconcile. Once you've identified them, select the checkbox next to each relevant transaction. This check is a small step in the process, but a giant leap for your financial accuracy. After selecting your transactions, it's time to get specific about what these transactions represent. Click New Transaction to input more detailed information. Here you'll categorize the transaction. You might select Receive Money if, for example, it's a payment from a client, or Direct Payment if it's an expense. Sometimes you might deal with an overpayment. Yes, sometimes customers pay too much, bless their hearts. In such cases, select Overpayment to account correctly for these transactions. Each of these categories helps you keep your records as accurate as possible. Once you've inputted all the necessary details for your transaction, don't forget to hit Save Transaction. This step commits your hard work to your Xero records. Imagine it as sealing your transaction with a digital kiss. Moi. Finally, the crescendo of our process. Clicking Reconcile. This button is the final step in affirming that everything matches up between your bank and your books. It's the green light you've been waiting for, the pat on the back after ensuring all your financial ducks are in a row. There you have it. You've successfully reconciled a transaction in your Xero bank account. By following these steps, you maintain accuracy and integrity in your financial records, which is crucial for the health and success of your business. Remember, consistent reconciliation is key to keeping your financials in check and avoiding any possible headaches down the road. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the reconciliation process within Xero. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on managing your business finances with ease and confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your business's financial health.